The Bionic WheelBot is a robot inspired by a special spider found in the desert. This spider can both run and roll, and the robot copies this amazing ability. It was developed by Festo's engineering team to show how nature can inspire smart robotic design. The robot can change from running on legs to rolling like a wheel. When it switches to rolling mode, it folds its legs into two wheel-like shapes and moves forward quickly and smoothly. In rolling mode, it is even faster than when it runs. The Bionic WheelBot can travel over different types of ground and even climb small slopes up to 5%. It runs on a 7.4-volt lithium polymer battery, giving it reliable power. This robot is a great example of how technology and nature can work together to create innovative movement systems. It uses smart sensors to detect obstacles and adjust its movement automatically. The lightweight design helps it save energy while moving at high speed. The Unikaru is a versatile wood-fired pizza oven that lets you cook restaurant-quality pizzas at home or anywhere outdoors. It heats up quickly, reaching temperatures of up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius. So pizzas can be ready in 60 seconds or less. The oven is made from durable stainless steel, making it strong but still lightweight and easy to move. One of its best features is its flexible fuel options. You can use wood, wood pellets, kindling, or charcoal, depending on your cooking preference. Unikaru is popular among pizza lovers and outdoor cooking enthusiasts for its excellent performance, ease of use, and compact design. The oven has a built-in thermometer for precise temperature control. Its modular design allows you to expand it with optional accessories like a gas burner. The Karu retains heat efficiently, ensuring even cooking every time. It's perfect for backyard parties, camping trips, or small outdoor gatherings. The oven's chimney design helps manage smoke for cleaner cooking. Cleaning is simple, with removable parts that make maintenance quick and easy. The Mini Big is an innovative and versatile amphibious trailer that works both on land and water. It's designed for adventure lovers who want to explore forests, lakes, rivers, and coastal areas in one vehicle. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to tow behind most cars, trucks, or SUVs. When you reach your destination, the Mini Big can drive straight into the water and turn into a fully functional boat. It comes with a reliable motor and stable hull, giving you a smooth and enjoyable ride on lakes, rivers, or coastal waters. Pricing for the Mini Big usually starts around $XXX, depending on features and options. Its amphibious design eliminates the need for separate boat and trailer, saving time and effort. The trailer has enough space for gear, supplies, and even a small cabin for overnight trips. Durable materials make it resistant to corrosion from freshwater and saltwater. Easy-to-use controls let both beginners and experienced users navigate safely. The Ray Neo X3 Pro is a smart pair of glasses that combines AR, augmented reality, and AI technology for everyday use. It has a full-color micro-LED display that feels like looking at a 43-inch transparent screen. Weighing just 76 grams and made from strong magnesium alloy, the glasses are comfortable to wear all day. They include dual cameras, depth sensors, and AI-powered features for real-time translation, navigation, object recognition, and voice control. You can control the glasses using touchpads on the frame, voice commands, a smartphone app, or a smartwatch. Running on Rayneo's Raynos 2.0 system, they support many Android apps and AI tools, turning the glasses into a powerful wearable computer. The Salepu Neuro Sleep Mask, also called Dream Pilot, is a smart sleep mask made to help you sleep deeper and more comfortably. It uses AI and brainwave tracking to understand how your brain moves through different sleep stages during the night. Based on this information, the mask gently helps your brain relax using a mix of soft audio guidance, far infrared warmth, light electrical pulses, and gentle vibrations. These features work together to support natural and calm sleep. Instead of being just a regular eye mask, Dream Pilot acts like a smart sleep companion that helps you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed, showing how future sleep technology is evolving. The Circus Group CA-1 is a smart, fully automated robot made to run commercial kitchens. Built by the German company Circus SE, it uses robotics, computer vision, and AI to handle the entire cooking process, from storing ingredients and cooking meals to plating and serving food. Its compact design makes it suitable for places like cafeterias, hospitals, and office dining halls. Once it is filled with ingredients, it can prepare up to 500 meals on its own without human help. People can order food using a touchscreen or voice commands, making it easy to use. With global production planned for 2025, the CA-1 aims to lower labor costs, improve hygiene, and provide round-the-clock meal preparation, marking a new step toward fully automated food service.
UDX Airwolf looks like the kind of bike people might fly in the future. A Czech company called UDX is turning this idea into reality with its electric hoverbike, the Airwolf, which has already completed test flights. It moves as quickly and smoothly as a hummingbird, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds and reaching a top speed of 230 km per hour. Even experienced bikers would find the ride exciting. It can carry 2 people at the same time, making it even more impressive. The main drawback is its short flight time of about 25 minutes, but UDX engineers are working to improve the battery range. As the flight time increases, more people may be willing to pay its high price of around $384,000.
The Bellwether Volar is a new electric vertical takeoff aircraft that looks and feels like a real flying car thanks to its sleek, futuristic design. It represents a new step in urban air travel. One of its key features is a hidden propulsion system, which improves efficiency and gives it a smooth, clean look. Its wingless lifting body design helps it move easily and safely through crowded city areas. In terms of performance, the Volar can cruise at speeds of up to 135 miles per hour and fly at altitudes of about 914 meters, making it well suited for city travel. It is designed for personal use and on-demand air taxi services. The current version can carry 1 pilot and possibly 1 passenger, while future full-scale models are expected to carry 2 passengers, with later versions planned for up to 4 or 5. With its advanced technology and smart design, the Bellwether Volar offers an exciting look at the future of flying cars and urban transportation. The Campagna T-Rex RR is a high-performance 3-wheel sports machine with a starting price of around $65,000. It is powered by a naturally aspirated 1,441cc Kawasaki inline-4 engine that produces 208 horsepower at 10,000 rpm and 116.5 pound-feet of torque at 7,500 rpm. The power is sent through a 6-speed sequential gearbox with a built-in reverse. Weighing about 998 pounds, the T-Rex RR can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds and can handle up to 1.3 grams of cornering force. Its strong tubular steel roll cage chassis is paired with adjustable RR5 coilover suspension, double wishbones at the front, a rear swing arm, and ABS with 4 traction control modes for better stability and control. With race-level performance, premium details, and full street legality, the T-Rex RR delivers a truly unique and exciting 3-wheel driving experience. The Mercedes Simplex is a concept car revealed in 2019 that pays tribute to the classic 1901 Mercedes 35 PS. It is a modern take on the original, featuring a clean and minimalist design with 2 seats and an open cockpit. The car blends old-style charm with modern design elements. At the front, it has a bold black grille panel with digital lighting, while the large, eye-catching wheels give it a strong and sporty look. Inside, the cabin mixes luxury materials with modern technology, including a digital display that shows important driving information. Since this is only a concept vehicle, it is meant to showcase design ideas. Detailed technical specifications and pricing have not been shared. The Full Moon is an innovative concept show bike created by Akrapovic, known worldwide for its high-performance exhaust systems. This futuristic motorcycle is designed as a rolling design study, showcasing what the future of electric mobility and motorcycle aesthetics could look like. The bike features a completely unique construction, where the exhaust system becomes the main structural element of the frame. Instead of traditional wheels, Full Moon uses large carbon fiber rings, giving it a floating, sci-fi appearance while reducing weight and visual bulk. Powered by an electric drivetrain, Full Moon represents a shift toward clean, silent performance while still keeping the aggressive spirit of a high-end motorcycle. Every part of the bike is custom-made, focusing on innovation, craftsmanship, and bold design rather than mass production.